Ang sabi nila when you take hotel and restaurant management, more on luto. But it's not. It's more on management. I'm Yed Di Maporo, a graduate of BS Hotel and Restaurant Management in 2015. The founder of Yed Ventures with 6 existing businesses including the first ever Smart Cafe in the Philippines. Voice prompt po lahat nung nasa loob nung store. The idea was bringing Japan in Cotabato City because not all Cotabateños could go to Japan. Nung nag-aaral ako, pangarap ko talaga mapasok sa industry ng food. Best thing about STI, hindi lang siya puro lecture sa 4 corners ng classrooms. Pinapadala kami sa mga tours. Nakita ko during my college days, hindi pala lalabas ng kitchen yung isang magandang cake kung hindi dadaan sa isang mahirap na proseso. Yung formulation na tinuturo ng mga teachers, talagang magagamit mo if you are dreaming of having your own business. Lagi kong bukang bibig, kung hindi tinuro ni STI, hindi ko ito natutunan. At kung hindi ko ito natutunan, hindi ko ito na-i-apply. At hindi ko ito na-i-apply, walang Yed Ventures na mabubuo.